Hospitable tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Hospitable. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Hospitable, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Hospitable, it is a cloud-based platform designed to simplify the management of short-term rentals for hosts and property managers, in which the company aims to give back valuable time to its user by automating many of the time-consuming tasks associated with hosting. And Hospitable allows hosts to manage guest communications through AI-powered automated messaging, which can handle up to 90% of inquiries and provides tools for synchronizing calendars across multiple booking channels to prevent double bookings. And now to create an account, you could also click the link in the description, or you could also click the Get Started free on the top right corner, in which you can start entering here your email address, or you could also continue using your Airbnb account in here. And after that, all you need to do from here is simply enter your first name, your last name, and also your mobile number below here. Then proceed by simply clicking the continue button to proceed. But make sure that you also check please agree to the terms of service and privacy policy below here. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is simply click this Let's Go button, and it will ask you the number of your properties. And let's say I'm going to enter 1 and click the continue to proceed. And now it will ask you where are your properties listed, with here an option to choose either Airbnb, VRBO, Booking.com, direct booking website, but I'm not going to click on any of this. I'm just going to select here I'm not listed yet. Then click the continue button to proceed. And after that, you also need to simply enter here or create your own password at this point, and simply proceed by clicking the continue button once again in here to start now creating your account on Hospitable.com. And after that, you are now here trailing to the professional plan, so you can simply choose any plan, but I'm going to choose the continue button to proceed in here. And upon doing so, all you need to do is wait for it to load, and it will ask you in here that to start saving your valuable time, you have here an option the new request to book, new reservation, first morning, checkout instructions, and even turn on this review requests. I'm just going to turn on this too and proceed by clicking I just want to save 2 out of 5 hours. And just proceed by clicking connect with Airbnb, but I'm going to choose at this point I'll do it later. And after that, you'll now be able to see here that we're now currently under the dashboard of Hospitable.com. And it says here that by navigating the inbox option on the left side panel, you firstly need to connect your Airbnb account in here, in which this inbox option in Hospitable.com serves as centralized communication hub for hosts managing short-term rentals across multiple booking platforms such as Airbnb, VRBO, and Booking.com, in which this feature allows users to consolidate all incoming messages into one unified inbox, streamlining the management, guest inquiries, and booking requests. And that is why it will show you on the left side panel under status all of the messages, unread messages, awaiting reply, resolve, start, and many more. But again, to navigate all of this, you also need to connect your Airbnb account in here by clicking this button and start connecting your Airbnb account. But since I don't have any kind of Airbnb account, I might be able to connect my Airbnb account in here. Going back to this page once again, aside from that, on the left side panel, you could also navigate these properties, in which this option is designed to streamline the management of short-term rental listing across various booking platforms. So it allows hosts to consolidate multiple listings to the same physical property such as those on Airbnb and Booking.com into a single property group. So from here, it will show you under these properties, your new properties, muted properties, all room types in here, entire home, shared room, private room, and even the tags and save segments on the left side panel, in which this merging facilitates synchronized reservation management and calendar updates, thereby preventing double booking and simplifying overall property management. Moving on the left side panel, aside from properties option, you could also navigate this calendar guest experience by clicking on it. You should see here that this option is designed to enhance the overall interaction between hosts and their guests throughout the rental process, in which the primary purpose of this is to automate and personalize communication, ensuring that the guests receive timely and relevant information at every stage of their journey from booking to checkout. And this automation reduces the manual workload for hosts while improving guest satisfaction by providing immediate responses to common inquiries and essential details about their stay. In which from here you can navigate on your guest experience, the number of active messaging rules, active review rules, and even active question rules in here. You can also navigate here the messaging rule, the question, custom codes, carried responses, and many more. While under this operations option right here on the left side panel, it is designed to streamline and automate the management tasks related to short-term rental hosting, in which the purpose of this is to enhance the team coordination by automatically assigning tasks such as cleaning, maintenance, and guest check-ins to team members based on upcoming reservations. And that is why you should see here the task rules, teammates, and notification rules in here. Now moving on to this metrics option on the left side panel, in which it is designed to provide short-term rental hosts and property managers with essential insights into their rental performance. So basically, this feature allows users to monitor the overall health of their rentals by offering a comprehensive dashboard that aggregates key financial and operational data across various booking platforms such as Airbnb and Booking.com. However, in order to access this, you need to have an upgrade account in order to do so. Moving on, we could also navigate this connected account in here. Then we can start connecting our Airbnb account, VRBO, and even Booking.com in here. But since I don't have any of this kind of account, I'll not be able to connect any of those accounts. You'd also navigate this direct option in here, but you need to have an upgrade account in order to do so. But this direct option is designed to empower hosts to manage their own direct bookings, allowing them to bypass the challenges and fees associated with third-party online travel agents like Airbnb and VRBO. And this feature enables hosts to create customizable booking websites, facilitating direct communication and transactions with guests while retaining full control over their rental properties. And that is why you can also navigate here on the left side panel or overview the payouts, payout methods, history, bookings, and many more. While under this devices option on the left side panel, you'd also start navigating all of the connected device. However, you also need to have an upgrade account in order to access this kind of feature in here, such as the settings also, the smart locks, the thermostats, and many more. Moving on to this apps option on the left side panel, it serves to enhance the functionality and accessibility of the platform for users managing short-term rental properties. With the introduction of mobile applications for both iOS and Android, Hospitable allows hosts to manage the operations on the go, ensuring they can deliver a seamless guest experience from anywhere. So basically, you can start downloading some other application or integrating it. However, you also need first to sign in or connect some of your account in here in order to install or integrate some other applications available on this page. So basically, this platform provides features like synchronized calendars across multiple booking channels, automated team notifications for cleaning schedules, and tools for creating direct booking websites with integrated guest vetting and payment processing. But overall, that is just basically how you can use Hospitable. Thank you.